As part of OpenPOWER Academia and Research, we have been running hundreds of workshops and webinars worldwide for last 7 years. And this is a great opportunity for all of us to work with many researchers, industries and leaders and students to work on this massive open platform for AI, HPC and cloud. I also would like to mention a few things about Summit Supercomputer. It is based on IBM Power 9 Oak Ridge National Lab and #1 supercomputer in the world. This system represents the culmination of a significant collaboration between OpenPOWER Foundation members IBM, NVIDIA, Mellanox, and Red Hat, with the goal of producing a well-balanced computing platform for not only traditional HPC workloads such as modeling and simulation, but also AI and cloud workloads.
We purchased an OpenPOWER cluster for deep learning. We have a lot of students and a lot of faculty doing research in many different areas, and they have a lot of data. Obviously, deep learning provides them with a way to extract information from that data that allows them to do new things. So we purchased our system, came on the floor in February of this year. It's been used quite a bit since then, and IBM came to give an OpenPOWER workshop, which has been really useful. We had a huge amount of interest from the students and the faculty. Basically, we're trying to get the word out and get people with some hands-on experience with deep learning, so that they can take it and apply it to their research in different areas. It's been a real great experience. I think there's a lot of exciting things going on in this field. Obviously, the software changes very quickly. There's been a lot of disruptive changes on the hardware side, and working with OpenPOWER and Power AI gives us a way to take advantage of the changes in architecture through software without having too painful of a process in the middle. So I think that's what we've really been able to get out of it so far.
Hi, I am Arghya Kusum Das, an assistant professor of computer science at University of Wisconsin, Platteville. I got my first exposure to IBM Power System when I was doing my PhD at Louisiana State University in 2015. My research was a study of scalability and cost effectiveness of large-scale scientific applications over heterogeneous computing environment. So I was mostly working on bioinformatics domain. That time, despite multiple prior attempts on existing Intel-based HPC cluster, we could not analyze a large metagenome dataset in a reasonable period of time. So knowing the capabilities of big data analysis offered by IBM Power Systems, we turned to IBM for help. The performance of the system was surprisingly good. The huge 3.2 terabytes of metagenome dataset was analyzed in 6.25 hours using only 40 nodes. So that was kind of a great performance for us at that time. Then I joined University of Wisconsin Platteville as an assistant professor and started collaborating closely with IBM and OpenPOWER Foundation for my research, teaching, and also for my own visions. This collaboration enabled me to work on world's fastest supercomputer Summit at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, which is helping me accelerating my big data research in the domain of bioinformatics, genomics, and healthcare. Then as an educator and big data and HPC enthusiast, one of my visions is to contribute towards the global demands of data experts. Now to materialize that, I am actually launching my own online education platform. In collaboration with OpenPOWER, I am currently working on the pilot phase to develop innovative curriculum and learning outcomes to spread the data and HPC education to meet the worldwide need for experts in the corresponding fields. So, and also we are organizing big data workshops, webinars, hackathons, which will provide a forum for disseminating the latest research, as well as it will provide a platform for the students to get hands-on learning and engage in practical discussion about big data and AI-based technologies.
In our earlier work at VJTS COE CNDS, we had created a deepfake by face swapping Jack Ma on Amir Khan in the famous "What is a Machine" scene from 3 Idiots. The video was released this year on the 18th of January, and the link to the video is in the description. In this video, we explore a different type of deepfake known as facial reenactment. Take a look at this video. What might seem like a recording of former US President Barack Obama speaking is actually fake. In reality, comedian Jordan Peele's lip movements and expressions have been transferred to Obama's face using a method known as facial reenactment. This is just one of many deepfake techniques that can cleverly combine what is real with what is synthesized. We used the IBM Power AC922 server to train our CNN on the platform and observed significant reduction in training time because of using multi-GPU configuration which involved 4 V100 GPUs. The Power AC922 pairs IBM Power 9 CPUs and V100s with NVLink, creating a server capable of delivering massive throughput capability for high-power computing, deep learning, and AI workloads.
Hello everyone, this is Shivan Shukla, BTech Computer Science student from IIT Patna. I did a 3-month internship with IBM in association with Object Automation Software Solutions in Chennai last summers. During this period, I worked on setting up a portable AI box running on Power 9 CPU and NVIDIA GPU. And I must say that for secured high-performance computing and secured AI solutions, OpenPOWER systems are the best systems. Moreover, with Power 9 coming in scenes now, opportunities have never been this high. I'm glad to tell that following up with my work, IBM with Object Automation and Tech Data has successfully set up 2 centers of excellence, one at NIE in Mysore and one at Managula Vinayanagar Engineering College in Pondicherry, 2 cities of South India. More such center of excellence is on the line. This will open up the power of these systems to students, professors, and researchers, thereby bringing loads of effective solutions to reality. For example, researchers at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory recently have used Summit, the world's most powerful and smartest AI and high-performance computer built by IBM using Power9 systems, to identify the molecules that help us further understand the coronavirus. By running multiple simulations, they have built the model of the coronavirus protein structure. They have not necessarily found the cure yet, but this will obviously help in the study of virus much better. These systems are capable of doing wonders like these in this fast-paced technical world, and thereby I urge you all to come forward and explore the opportunities IBM's power systems can bring to reality.